Lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna share with you guys a drink that will clear up your skin, glow your skin, beautify your skin. This cream is amazing, guys. It's a wonderful drink you cannot go wrong with. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Click on the red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just get into it. I'm going to make use of these 4 carrots in this recipe. So I'll start by peeling off the back of these carrots. Carrot provides vitamin C and beta-carotene. These 2 antioxidants protect your skin from damage. Vitamin C is also necessary for the production of collagen, which strengthens skin. So carrots give skin a slight yellow tone that people think look healthy and attractive. So right now I'll start by cutting it. Eating carrot every day beautify your skin. It will just, when you eat your carrot every day, it just beautify your skin. There's a lot of benefits in carrots, honestly. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so they'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please guys, share this video. So right now I'm gonna add it straight to the plate. So I'll just add it straight to the plate. And I'll set it aside. So guys, after cutting the carrot, I'll just blend it. That's the first step. I'll just add 1 cup of water. Then I'll blend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna strain it with my strainer. I just need the juice of these carrots. I'll use my spoon to just press it out to bring the juice. I'll set it aside. So the next thing we need here is ginger. So I'm gonna peel off the back of the ginger. Just little. I need only 1 teaspoon of ginger. Just 1 teaspoon of ginger. Guys, I always say you can never go wrong with ginger. The antioxidant present in ginger increases collagen production, reduce skin damage and inflammation. There's a lot of benefits. Honestly, there's a lot of benefits in ginger. You can never go wrong with ginger. It also has healing capabilities. There's a lot of benefit, guys, in ginger. So I'll just grate the ginger. Just 1 teaspoon of ginger. This is the ginger. I'll set it aside. So the next thing we need is banana. So I'll be making use of 1 banana in this recipe. I'll just peel off the banana. Bananas are rich in antioxidants which help to fight free radicals in the body. When you eat your banana, your skin will be lifted. It will make your skin to just glow. There is a lot of benefit too in banana. I'll just cut it and add it straight to the plate. Banana contains vitamin A, which helps in skin lightening and brightening. When you want your skin to be bright, if you want to brighten your skin and lighten your skin, banana should be your friend. Just add it straight to the plate. So I'll set it aside. So the next thing we need is pineapple. So I'm gonna cut 1/2 cup of pineapple. Pineapple contains vitamin C and beta-carotene, and these 2 antioxidants can help reduce wrinkles, improve overall skin texture, and minimize skin damages from sun and pollution exposure. There is a lot of benefits. Pineapples remove dead skin and brighten your skin. It clears your complexion. 1/2 cup of pineapple. I'll set it aside. So another thing we need in this recipe is our lemon. But I'm gonna just squeeze it because what I need is just 1 teaspoon of lemon. So now let me show you guys how to mix it all. Just keep on watching. I'm gonna tell you guys how to drink it for better results at the end of this video. And I still have many things to add in this. Trust me, I have so many things to add in this smoothie. So just keep on watching. So guys, I'll start by adding the carrot juice. Remember, it's 4 carrots that I use in this recipe. I'll start by adding the juice. I'll add 1 banana. Add half cup of pineapple. I'll add ginger. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Then right now I'm gonna cut the lemon. I need only just 1 teaspoon of lemon. So this is just 1 teaspoon of lemon. What I'm gonna add is honey. I'm using organic honey. One teaspoon of organic honey.
Turmeric contains antioxidant and inflammatory components. This criteria provides glow to the skin. Turmeric also revives your skin by brightening out its natural glow. If you have acne, have pimple, you want your skin to glow, just use your turmeric.
1 teaspoon. So the next I'm gonna add is our almond milk.
Almond milk helps to smoothen and soften your skin, and it will make you to have wrinkle-free skin. This mandel milk, it serves as a moisturizer. It serves as a moisturizer. If you want your skin to be smooth and glow, just keep on using your mandel milk. And also it reduces the amount of freckles, brown spots and high pigmentation. It will just reduce everything and make your skin to glow. There's a lot of benefits in it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just go ahead and make yourself a drink. You will enjoy it. This drink will just get to clear every spot on your face. If you have wrinkles, if you have high pigmentation, just go ahead and make it and drink it. Honestly, it's not a joke. It's something that I've tried and it worked for me. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. So this is what you need to just beautify your skin. If you want to have smooth skin, if you want to have wrinkle-free skin, this is just what you need to just take away all these things. It's gonna take away all the hyperpigmentations, black spots, pimples, and make your skin to glow. This is not a joke. I've tried this and it worked for me. That's why I'm sharing with you guys. Go ahead and make it. Before 2 or 3 days, you'll start seeing the results. It works like magic. This is not a joke, guys. Just go and try it and come back and say thank you to me. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video.